Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Library, a channel where you will develop your computer Illuminati and receive tech tips and tutorials in your inbox. Now, let's explore a useful option in Facebook: how to access archived stories. Have you ever lost your old stories and wanted to know where your relics of the past are or how you can get them back? Let's get started. Facebook stories are perfect to tell something to your friends and all your followers. However, the critical question when relating this to Malawi is, what becomes of those stories once they are wiped out after 24 hours? Well, Facebook allows you to save the story. It is archived for later watching or reading if needed. Let me walk you through the entire process, which I'm going to demonstrate to you right from today, of where and how to look at these stories that are still out there in the cyberspace, hiding from the naked eye. To begin with, log into your Facebook, either through your mobile device or on web application, the URL for this being www.facebook.com. Address www.com on your web browser. Again, after you have logged into the website, go to your page information. This can be done by clicking on the option of your profile picture at the top left corner of the app or going to the profile option on the website. Now, locate the drop-down menu to the right of your profile page and click on More. On the app, it typically has 3 dots. Tap or click on that. In the option list that will drop down there is a name that stands out as Archive. This is where all the saved stories are kept. To open the archive, click on it. Here, the list of your archive stories are laid down date-wise and in a systematic manner. To review a specific story, you just have to tap on the story. As for your stories on Facebook, you are also able to share, delete, or download them from here. And that's it. Or, in the words of Nell. And there you have it. That is how you can see your stories you archived on Facebook. So no matter if you want to watch some of the old memories, or you simply wish to repost that, once you liked so much, you know where to do that. Oh, and by the way, remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell also for more tech, how-to videos as this one. Thank you for watching and have a great time next time, here on Tech Library. Any questions you'd like us to consider, or any other topics you would like us to discuss? Leave a comment below if you may. Well, see you next time being curious and a tech wizard.